Hello everybody, and welcome to another episode of Technically Not Technical. Today we will be doing our long-awaited unboxing of the AT2020 USB Plus microphone from Audio-Technica. So let's go ahead and unbox this. First, you will see that there are 3 different pieces of literature. The first being an 11-page instruction manual. The second being an electronics disposal instruction. And the third being a warranty registration card, which will give you 1-year limited warranty. Next, we'll check out the leather pouch that Audio-Technica includes, which is actually pretty sweet. First, we have the USB cable with USB-A for the PC and a USB end to go directly into the mic. Second, we have a pivot mount that connects to the tripod desk stand. And here is the tripod desk stand. Next, we have the microphone itself, which is a cardioid style microphone. On the bottom, there is a USB-B connector which will go to your PC. In the back, there is a standard 3.5mm headphone jack. And on the front, there is a headphone volume control dial, and to the left is a mix control dial, which allows you to blend microphone and pre-recorded audio, which means you can listen to your voice through the mic in real time on the headphones you have connected to the mic's 3.5mm jack, and mix it with the audio coming from your PC through the USB connector. Now, this unboxing's audio was recorded with our camera's microphone. So to end this, we will give you a sample of how the Audio-Technica AT2020 USB Plus's sound is compared. We have now swapped over to the Audio-Technica AT2020 USB Plus microphone so you guys can get a feel for what it sounds like compared to our camera's microphone. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and if you did, please subscribe or give us a like. This is the TNT Posse signing out for Technically Not Technical. See you next time.